Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to Learner's Studio, where learning gets a whole new vibe. We are a destination where the learners can come and create their own source of success. At Learner's Studio, we offer courses and workshops in public speaking and creative writing. Our studio is brand new, but the people running it are seasoned players. You know what's awesome? We believe that no two learners are alike. So, why should your learning experience be the same? At Learner's Studio, we are all about you. We offer highly customized learning experiences because we know that one size doesn't fit all. Our vision is to provide courses which are tailor-made for each learner's need. But customization doesn't mean compromising on quality. Our team is a fantastic blend of industry experts and academic gurus with over 20 years of experience. And customization doesn't have to be costly. So guess what? We have made it super affordable because we believe learning should never break the bank. And here's the twist. We've got an entire library of modules, courses, and workshops for you to choose from. It's like building your own learning adventure. Pick and choose what ignites your curiosity and create a personalized journey just for you. Feeling a little overwhelmed? No worries. We've got your back. Our friendly team is here to offer free counseling sessions. We will listen, understand your needs, and guide you towards the perfect combination of modules, workshops, or courses. It's like having your very own learning superhero. So, whether you're 14 or 23, ready to dive into a world of knowledge? Come join us at Learner's Studio. Learner's Studio, where learning meets you and you learn